It's Chantel again, Quest Marketing Coordinator. Can you believe it's already Q3? Hopefully you're having a great summer. As always, Quest has training events and promos to make sure you're getting the most out of your summer. Join us for our Strategic September webinar series. We'll cover topics like sheet metal, sweep and loft, revision tables and PDM, and simulation. These events will take place every Friday in September at 9 a.m. Pacific. Come to one of our hands-on test drives for SOLIDWORKS Electrical or PCB. These are happening in the Tri-Cities, Post Falls, Bozeman, and Seattle areas. We have big promotions on these products this summer, so feel free to come try it before you buy it. Want to improve communication with your customer, assembly worker, machinist, fabricator, or quality assurance team? Join us in Spokane for a seminar on Composer, CAM, and inspection to discover tools that can help you improve manufacturer-related communication. Did you know 83% of attendees experience a 40 to 60% increase in productivity after they attend a Quest training class? We have multiple classes on the calendar now around the Pacific Northwest. This summer you can buy 2, get 1 free, or buy 1 and get a free Space Mouse wireless when you attend. We'll have even more events in Q4. Check out our website to register for training and events and to see promotional details. You can see more of our videos here, and as always, please subscribe. Strategic September. Strategize September. Strategic September. Oh man, why did I make strategic?